Hi everyone, today I am making my favorite South Indian Sambar recipe. For that I took tuwar or arhar dal and I soaked it for half an hour. Now put it in the cooker, add turmeric powder, salt and cook it for 10 to 12 minutes in low-medium flame. When it is done, keep it aside. Now soak tamarind, gourd with hot water for 15 minutes and take out the pulp out of it. Now for gravy, take tomatoes, onion, green chilli and grind it and make gravy out of it. Now heat ghee in a kadai, add mustard seeds, hing, dry red chilli, curry leaves, onion, saute it. Now add veggies, first potato, saute it for 2 minutes as it takes time, so we are putting it earlier. Now add carrot, bottle gourd, pumpkin, drumsticks and saute it and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. Add salt. Now add gravy and cook it for 7 to 10 minutes. Cover it with a lid. Now we'll cook it till the ghee comes out of it. Now add red chilli powder, sambar masala, mix it properly. Now add tamarind slurry or imli ka pani and mix it. Now add water. Cover it and cook it till the vegetables are soft. Now add tuwar dal. Mash it before putting in the vegetable. Add salt. Cover it again, cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. Now garnish it with coriander leaves. Your sambar is ready. Enjoy! If you liked my video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.